Now, welcome to our lecture. Welcome to my lecture, FyBsc Paper First, Botany, Plant Life and Utilization. Plant life and utilization. There is about the 5 chapters and 15 lectures, 15 hours. There is the credit system. Credit first, that is the introduction, general outline of plant kingdom. The kingdom Plantae includes all chlorophyllous organisms. Plant life and utilization. See, chlorophyllous organisms. What is meaning of this? See, these are containing the pigment that will be called as chlorophylls. This chlorophyll, they are having the capacity to prepare their own food material with the help of photosynthesis. See, this plant will be having the cellulosic cell wall. The plant body will be either microscopic and macroscopic. See, this microscopic, that means they are very small. They are not seen in our naked eyes, but they are seen under the microscope. See, this microscopic, they are the large plants, like the trees, large plants. See, the plant body of higher plants is well developed and they are differentiated into. So this one will be differentiated into root, stem and leaves. Root, stem and leaves. See, in that case, there is having the various tissue system and the sexual reproductive organs, they are well developed. On the basis of the thallus structure or plant body, mode of nutrition and nature of reproduction, kingdom Plantae is divided into 2 divisions. Number 1 is called as Cryptogams and number 2 is called as Phanerogams. Cryptogams and Phanerogams. The outline classification of plant kingdom, that will be as follows. Cryptogams, that will be divided into, here they are divided into Thallophyta, Bryopyta, third one will be Pteridophyta. These are divided into three types, cryptogams. But is divided into three types. This Thallophyta, as their names, Thallophyta, this is thallus-like structures. Means they are not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. The plant body will be a thallus-like. See, this includes algae, fungi and bacteria. The second one will be called as Bryopyta. Bryopyta will be again divided into the two types. Sorry, these are divided into three types. Number one, liverworts, hornworts and masai. See, this Bryopyta will be again, they are differentiated into the thallus-like body, differentiated into rhizoids as well as the plant. They are thallus-like. They are not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. If they are differentiated, they are root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structures. Third one will be called as pteridophytes. These pteridophytes, they are called as, or they are differentiated into Thallophyta, Lycophyta, Spinophyta and Pterophyta. They are the four groups. This plant body will be differentiated into root-like, stem-like and leaf-like structures. There is the vascular system, means there is presence of xylem and phloem. Xylem and phloem are present, they are called as vascular system. See, that's why these pteridophytes will be called as the vascular plants. And bryophytes are called as non-vascular plants. See, these are the vascular plants as well as non-vascular plants. See, second one will be called as the phanerogams. See, the study of the flowering plants, that is called as phanerogams. See, these phanerogams will be again called as higher cryptogams. Phanerogams, they are divided into gymnosperms and angiosperms. Two types. Gymnosperm. What is meaning of this gymnosperm? Gymnosperm means the plant, they are having the naked seeds. The seeds are naked, they are seen in our eyes, and the angiosperms, the seeds are enclosed into the ovary. They are not naked, they are not seen. See, these angiosperms that will be divided into two types. Number one will be called as monocots or monocotyledons and dicotyledons. See, now there is the, what is the general characters of cryptogams? See, as we know, the cryptogams, these are having the two words. Number one will be called as cryptos, meaning hidden, and gamas means gametes. The gametes are hidden into the thallus, whose reproductive organs are inconspicuous. The second character will be, they include thallophytes. Means that they are not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. The plant body will be a thallus-like structures. The bryophytes differentiated into the plant without vascular system. There is absence of xylem and phloem. And Pteridophyta plants are differentiated into plant body with very well developed vascular system. Means there is presence of the vascular bundles. The xylem and phloem are present. See, in that case, the plants, they do not bear flowers and seeds. That's why these are called as non-flowering plants. Vascular system tissue is absent in case of algae and bryophytes. Vascular bundles, xylem and phloem are absent in algae and bryophytes. Sex organs are simple and single-celled. Sex organs. Embryo formation and fertilization is absent. They reproduce sexually, asexually and vegetatively. There is the sexual reproduction that will be takes place by the sexual method, asexual method and vegetative method. Reproductive organs are simple, unicellular and non-jacketed. Example, thallophytes. All thallophytes. Thallophytes will be include algae, fungi and bacteria. Asexual reproduction that will be takes place by the spores. That is the special type of the spores called as zoospores during growing season. Example, thallophytes. Vegetative reproduction that will be takes place by the cell division and fragmentation. Advanced cryptogams such as liverworts, mosses, pteridophytes, they undergoes the alternation of generation. They include Thallophyta, Bryopyta and Pteridophyta. See, now first we are said here the lower cryptogams, that is called as Thallophyta. See, the plant body will be, as we know, they are thalloid, not differentiated into root, stem and leaf. It includes algae, fungi, lichens and bryophytes. The important characteristic of each groups that will be here. Number first we are studied the algae. See, in that algae, you know the algae, they are live in water, either the fresh water as well as the marine water. Fresh water means the water of river, ponds, pools, etc. And the marine water will be the water that will be found into sea and ocean. The plants are either the microscopic or microscopic and they are again flowerless. The multicellular plant body that may be simple without root, stem and leaf, known as thallus. In the higher cryptogams, plant body possesses tissue system and vascular strands. In this case, they are absent. Majority of the plants have chlorophylls. They are containing the chlorophyll pigment like chlorophyll A, B, C, D and E. And so the mode of nutrition that will be autotrophic, means they prepare their own food material with the help of photosynthesis. Very few members like fungi and bacteria have the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. They live on the other organisms because they are absence of the chlorophyll pigment, means they are achlorophyllous. Now here I stop my teaching today. That will be